Thank you for watching. This is part 1 of the User Profile tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to configure your profile once you are logged in. On the upper right corner, click on your avatar picture, and then click on Profile. Next, under your picture avatar, click Actions and Change Picture. Click Select Files to upload. Find a picture of your headshot on your computer, and click Save, then Upload. You should now see your picture. Next, click the Edit Pencil icon next to Contact Details. The Edit Contact Details is a very important section to complete so that other members in the community and iADS administrators can use your information for internal referrals of patients. Furthermore, your contact information is used in your signature every time you submit or reply to a post. For the purpose of this demo, we will fill out some fields in the Contact Details section. The following next sections are equally important to fill out, as they will further enhance your profile and allow others in the community to see a more complete picture of your experience. Next, fill in the Bio section. Here you can either type or copy-paste text from a Word or PDF file from your computer. Next, add information regarding your education, employment, and social media links.